Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you Becoming by Gabor in the color GL60-101, also known as Silvery Moon. So this color is what happens when a platinum blonde and a really soft white with no blue tones are mixed together. So they look almost identical. They're both really nice and ashy, but they're not too cool, and it just looks really pretty. And before I do anything else, let me go ahead and preface this by saying that, I'm having problems containing all of my bio hair under the wig cap. So if you see any little black hairs poking out, that's me and not the color of the wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 for you, so that way you can see what Becoming looks like on all sides. This is a really pretty color, by the way. This is a 2-ounce wig, this Becoming. She has a 4.5 inch front. She's also 4.5 inches at the crown. The sides are 2.75 inches, and the nape is 2.25 inches as well. If you buy this one, you might want to cut the tags out in the back. Just a little tip there. Yeah. Let me go ahead and take this one off and I'll show you what the cap construction is all about. This wig fits really comfortably, I think. It's an open cap, open back, and sides. There's no extended nape on this one, but there is felt, and that is for the Velcro adjusters in the back. We have open ear tabs, which makes this one really easy to wear glasses with. And there's ample permatease all over the top of this wig. There's a good look at that color. It's a very pretty color. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and try to get all of my bio hair contained so we can get this back on. Okay, I think I'm ready. Oh, the problems of people with dark hair who wear light wigs. I think this one's so cute and easy. I like easy wigs. I like little shake and goes. So this is a really cute one. Really easy one. This is the Becoming by Gabor in the color GL60-101, also known as Silvery Moon. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my wig reviews, and until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye!